Hey, this is Lincoln. Very, very skinny. It's kind of dark in here. So his feet are just very swollen and bloody. Really hard to tell how bad it is. Very swollen feet, which doesn't look as bad in the camera, does it? Oh, he's got it all underneath really bad. He's got a little tail, very friendly. Okay. Come here, Lincoln. I know it. So I'm a friendly boy. Okay. Okay, let's show him that. Oh, it's just very bad underneath. Very crusted. This is February 14th of Valentine's Day. Yeah, so I'm a sweetie. We started today on Promaris. And we're hoping that'll work like it did really well in a couple other dogs with this. He definitely needs to lose. He really needs to gain some weight. You'll see his ribs. And you can't tell on the back leg. Come here, Lincoln. Come here, sweetie. Let's see that back leg. Yeah, there's like a little gash in it or something. So I'm not sure if that's from malnutrition or if he actually has hurt his leg. But he's kind of sore on that, aren't you? Okay. Okay. You can see how bad that is. Oh, that's a big hand. Big. Okay, hold still. I know it itches, doesn't it? Yes, it does. Let's see your chest. Can I see your chest? You know we're gonna do this. Come here. Yeah. Hard to tell, but it's all nasty. Nasty and crusty. Boy's gonna need a good home. Very friendly. Hey, back up a little bit so we can see your face. Okay? Yeah. Oh, is that a good boy? I have the worst problem with leashes, don't I? Okay. I weighed 42 pounds, which is not enough. By no means is it. No. Oops. No, it's not. So I'm happy. Seem to be happy, but I'm itching. I'm just miserable. The back feet have it really bad too. Oh, well, we're gonna get you better. Okay, you can sit down there. Yeah. See over here on this side. Okay. Okay. It's okay. I didn't mean to touch you. Can you sit? Sit. Hey, Lincoln, can you sit? Can you sit? Come on. Lincoln, come here. Come here, Lincoln. You come over here, sweetie. Come on, don't get over there. Come here. Okay. Oops. I better stop. We're making everybody dizzy. Okay. Okay. So help me. Help get back.